Microbes are not always harmful. In fact, they can be incredibly beneficial. A perfect example is the bacteria Lactobacillus, which we commonly use at our home to transform milk into delicious and nutritious curd. But the problem is making curd in winters, and it can be tricky, as the cold temperatures make it difficult to maintain the warm environment needed for Lactobacillus growth and curd formation. While some people wrap the container in a towel or place it in a warm oven, these methods can be a bit unreliable, lengthy and laborious. But don't worry, we have a much simpler solution for this. Let's get started. Ingredients needed. To make curd, you will need 1 liter of milk, or as per your requirement, preferably full cream, toned, or raw milk, and a small amount of curd, 1 to 2 tablespoons, as a starter culture. That's all you need. Steps to make curd. No. 1. Boil the milk. Pour the milk into a pan and boil it. Once milk boils, turn off the heat and let the milk cool down to lukewarm temperature. The milk should feel warm but not hot to the touch, around 40 degrees Celsius. Number 2. Mix the curd culture into the milk. Take 1 tablespoon of curd and put it in the pan containing lukewarm milk. Now take a clean glass or jug and start mixing the milk in pulling of tea style. Repeat pulling or mixing 8-10 times. The purpose of proper mixing is to ensure that the lumps of curd are properly broken and the curd culture is evenly distributed in the whole milk. Number 3. Get ready to prepare the curd. Pour the milk mixture into a thermos flask. Close the cap of the flask properly and keep the flask undisturbed for about 6-7 hours. Now the question is, why thermos flask used for curd preparation in winters? A thermos flask is used for curd preparation because it maintains the warm temperature required for the growth of Lactobacillus bacteria, which grows best at temperature around 37 degrees Celsius to 43 degrees Celsius. As the thermos flask provides the stable temperature environment for long time, which help the bacteria to grow rapidly and ferment milk lactose into lactic acid, leading to proper curd formation. Number 4. Refrigerate the curd. Check the flask and the curd is ready. Transfer the curd into another suitable container. Now put the curd container in refrigerator to stop further fermentation of the curd and keep it fresh. Try the simple and amazing curd making trick at your home, and let us know how it worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Stay tuned for more, and thank you for watching.